Hey, welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So as you can see, this one is the black one, iPhone on the side, and it has here the specs. It basically is a iPhone 15 Pro Max black titanium 256 gigabytes. So the iPhone's been losing weight in the box department for a while, but this is quite small. So we have these easy pull tabs, 1, 2, and then the box basically has a cutout for the cameras, which is interesting. And we have the phone here, and they have even removed these stickers on the back, I think, but that's the phone itself. You have here actually indications, minus, plus, that's the action button and the power on, and the charging ports on the bottom. It's nice they kind of draw it on the paper. So let's peel the paper, and that goes sideways. And this doesn't seem to have anything on this side, so no sticker on that side, removing any problems there. Then we have the famous USB-C to USB-C cable, no brick, so you'll need a brick. The famous, designed by Apple in California, has a SIM extractor because it's a European version. The US ones have eSIM only, the sticker, a few little papers, you know, security and warranties and whatnots. But yeah, nothing else to it. Like I said, no charging brick, no nothing. Just the normal phone and the cable. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the iPhone Pro Max 15. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.